Welcome back, guys. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Just out here, gorgeous day, playing with Odin. Oh, you can get treats after this. Come on. Alright, so it is Cinco de Mayo today. We have made 3 awesome tequila cocktails for this festive occasion. Actually, we made 2, and today we're making the last one. So make sure you subscribe, because even though the Cinco de Mayo series is done, we make new cocktails every week. So we've made a Cinnamon Girl, we made a Guava Paloma, and today we're making the Matador. So if you're familiar with this drink, it's fairly popular. It's kind of plain. It's basically just tequila and pineapple juice. But this version here also includes Green Chartreuse. I'm not sure who came up with it. I first saw it on Leandro's channel, the Educated Barfly, and just thought, well, this is a fantastic variation, and it is. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of tequila. Again, I'm using Reposado. I'm using the same Espolón Reposado, fantastic tequila. Use whatever you have. I'm then gonna do 1/4 ounce of Green Chartreuse. On Leandro's video, he put 1.5 teaspoons, I believe. You don't need a lot. I actually tried this with 1/2 ounce, and it was way too overpowering. It just totally took over the drink. So yeah, 1/4 ounce, plenty. We're then gonna do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Then to sweeten it up a tad, we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of agave syrup. You could do simple syrup, but agave always, pairs well with tequila because it's made from agave. All right, our last ingredient, we need some citrus just to bring everything together. So 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Limes and tequila. Is there anything else that goes better together? All right, I'm gonna crack some ice in this one. You can serve this with crushed ice. You can serve this with ice cubes. It's really not that specific on the ice, so I'm just cracking away. This is a great trick if you don't have a Lewis bag or don't have pebble ice. Just grab your cubes and give them a good whack with your bar spoon. It works. Flippy move on your tin, and we're gonna give this a good shake for 20 seconds. Especially that agave is very thick, so we wanna make sure to incorporate it. And whenever you shake pineapple, you get this nice foam, so that's nice bonus. All right, we're serving this in a tall glass. You can do a Collins glass, highball. I'm just gonna do a straight dump with the ice that I had in the tin. And we're gonna top off with a little bit of pebble ice, just to make it a little prettier. All right, let's get a long straw. And we're gonna garnish this bad boy with some pineapple fronds, because it's a pineapple drink, right? And there it is. There is the Matador. If you've ever had just a standard Matador, tequila, lime, pineapple, they're kind of plain. This one here, with the richness of the agave and the complexity and the herbal notes from the Green Chartreuse, it just elevates the drink. It's so good. It's so much better, very refreshing, but you don't lose the tequila. Tequila is very present as well. Just a really good, sweet, refreshing drink for Cinco de Mayo. And don't forget, guys, we have created 3 awesome tequila cocktails for this series. We did a Cinnamon Girl, we did a Guava Paloma, and today we did the Matador. So make sure you give those all a try. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Cheers.